Hello guys, welcome once again to DIY University. So here today we are going to learn how to sign up for Quora. For those of you who are not familiar with Quora, Quora is an American question and answer website where questions are asked and answered, and edited by internet users, either factually or in the form of opinions. The owners of Quora are Quora Inc. It's a company based in Mountain View in California, USA. And the current CEO of Quora is Adam D'Angelo. Those of you who care to know, was founded in June 2009. The founders, Adam D'Angelo and Charlie Chiva, I guess I got that right. And Adam D'Angelo is also the CEO, like I mentioned. Quora is in languages such as Hindi, Bengali, Portuguese, Marathi, English, of course, Indonesia, Spanish, Dutch, Swedish, Spanish, Italian, Norwegian, and Tamil, Hebrew, Finnish, Japanese, and of course German. Currently, those are the languages found available in Quora. So that's all you need to know for now. So let's go back to what we are here to do. We are here to learn how to sign up for Quora, and what you do is visit the Quora website. It's www.quora.com, and you're presented with this screen where you're asked to either sign in by entering your email and password. And of course, if you happen to forget your password, you can always reset your password by clicking on the forgot password button and then log in. So or better still, you can either log in with your email or your Facebook. But that's not what we're here to do. We're here to learn how to sign up for Quora. So you click on sign up with email, and here you enter your information. You can say let's say do it yourself. Let's say you can use any name of your choice. Maybe your name is Jonathan, or maybe you can say Jonathan Booth, maybe Jonathan Boothie. So here you enter your email. I have my email here, so I'm going to enter my password and accept the reCAPTCHA. Boom, and you sign up. Okay, and here you're allowed to follow, spaces, and here are the popular spaces. You don't want to follow any spaces, or maybe follow 5, continue. Maybe here, okay, follow. So we have followed the spaces, and then it brings us to a dashboard, the interface as well as dashboard, if you can call it. So here we can start immediately by posting a question, and here they present you with tips on getting good answers quickly. Make sure your question hasn't been asked already, or keep your question short and to the point, and don't check grammar, double check rather grammar and spellings. So here you can actually start your question with what, how, why, etc. And optionally, you can include a link into your question, or better still, you can post a link with a question. Maybe what is the best snake food? And then, of course, if you have a link, you can post it here. So we're not going to post right now. Cancel. So here you have your feeds, and photography, psychology, business books, whatever those feeds you selected before this window comes up. And so here you can set up your account, and you can add your credentials, add employment credentials, add education credentials, and you can also add education credentials. And then you can add a description of yourself. I am Jonathan Bothy. You can say the internet master of everything. Okay, and then you can add a picture, a link, and click here, add these characters. Okay, and then of course update, and you can add a picture. You can either add a picture by dragging a picture or clicking here to upload one, or you can use an image from the website. Maybe you can say www.google.com. Okay, it's not valid. Okay, so let's click here and just add any picture. So here is our profile picture. We have no followers yet, and of course here you can see the answers, your answers, questions, shares, posts, followers, following, and it's whatever. And here you can click to add topics you know about, maybe books, money, um, and then done. So this is it. So guys, there's nothing much. There's nothing so special about doing this rather than doing it the right way, which is what we've just done. So, guys, remember to subscribe to this channel to help us, creating more videos for you. See you next time, and thank you for watching.